with only 17 flights. Here we go, everybody. Look at this. Wow.
Wow, look how big that is.
Takeoff roll. Those C-5M engines, they pack a wallop. We'll talk about getting out of Dodge in a hurry. That's what they did with the C-5. One other thing that you should also know, that many years ago, a C-5 was flown over to France. The mission to pick up a World War II vintage B-17 bomber that had been disassembled and bring it back to Dover. A fully disassembled B-17 will fit in the cargo compartment of the C-5. Dover Air Force Base in Massachusetts. The C-5M Super Galaxy is equipped with 5 sets of landing gear, 28 wheels, 4 General Electric CF680 C2-L1F or F128 engines. By the way, C-5s were formerly based here before being replaced by C-17s. Ladies and gentlemen, coming across the field at 120 knots, it's about 130 mile an hour, the C-5M Super Galaxy. Pilot in command is First Lieutenant Eric Boyd, also Lieutenant Colonel A. Ron Cook. Second in command is Captain Jim Beitelman. Flight engineers are Joe Sunath and Caden Ballantyne. You can see as they come up the landing gear, it rotates into position and then tucks neatly into the fuselage. Courtesy of the 167th Airlift Wing, coming in from the right is this.
Old town shut down, old town showed up, singing Amazing Grace, watch the slideshow roll.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the C-5M Super Galaxy. Look at the bank angle on this baby. Trained professionals. Please do not do this at home with your own C-5. Pilot in command there, First Lieutenant Eric Boyd, Lieutenant Colonel A. Ron Cook, second in command, Captain Jim Beitelman, flight engineer Joe Sunak, and Caden Ballantyne there on the C-5M. Coming around from the right in size, it looks like it's going slow, but really they're coming around at about 140 knots right now. They've got her configured for landing, which means that all 28 wheels are out, the flaps are down, the slats are out, the tray tables and seat backs are in the most upright, uncomfortable position, and at this point we even bet they turned off the pizza oven. For those of you who've never been on board the C-5, it is humongous. Huge aircraft. The cockpit of the C-5 is large enough not only for the crew, but you can put a bowling alley, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a built-in bar, and a pool table, and still have plenty of room. It's not really a cockpit. airplane as much as it is a flight jet. And I'm understanding that the C-5 is going to be modified. They're going to put in a new addition to it. They're going to add a pickleball court. Or somebody like that. Look at this baby coming in for landing. 28 gear down and locked. Here it comes. Here comes the customers. It's going out. Look at them. Get this airplane stopped. Put sweet. Holy moly, Batman. Talk about grabbing the brakes. You know, those of you who have the great good fortune to work in a tire store, can you imagine changing 28 tires on this aircraft? No, thank you.